Hey everybody, Dr. Joe DuPuy, DuPuy Family Chiropractic. I wanted to share with you my doTERRA order this week and unbox this with you. I love this time of the month because I got my great products here and just want to share with you what I got here. So let's check it out. And what do I have here? Ooh, old trusty, Lifelong Vitality. If you watch some of my previous videos, you'll know this is the #1 selling product that doTERRA has. Great supplements, covers all the bases. And I highly recommend this for my patients. It's getting excellent results with inflammation, improving gut health, healing the gut, balancing hormones, getting rid of inflammation. Check out the Lifelong Vitality. #1 selling product in the largest network marketing company in the world. This is actually some of my favorite stuff here too, and this is the metabolic gum, the Slim and Sassy, which helps with curbing your appetite. And so, you know, I like to overeat after dinner. I'm craving something sweet. I'll pop a piece of this gum in my mouth and it curbs it. It also helps with your mood. So definitely check out the Slim and Sassy. And they also have weight loss products such as the whey protein and the vegan protein. They also have a bottle of the oil that you can get, and you can just put a drop of that in your water. So check out the Slim and Sassy. My kids love this, and this is just a health. I call it a sugar stick to get them to take it, but it's actually probiotics and it tastes like watermelon, and they've really done well on this, so it helps protect their gut. And they've got a whole kids line too. Check out their multivitamin and their fish oil too. Great prices on that. The other product that I got here is the Breathe product, and this is a great product. It helps with anxiety, helps open up your airways, helps with sinus issues, any kind of congestion, allergies, that kind of stuff. And you know, we always need this in the house. And I actually just ran out of this. So you can also get this in a droplet form too. Check out the Breathe, read up on that, all essential oils, natural stuff. And then we've got the cleaner concentrate, the On Guard. And there's all kinds of different On Guard products, and this has been used for centuries, and it's a blend of different oils that helps disinfect things and clean, keep things clean. And so I use this in the office and at home. This stuff is safe and natural for your family. So check this out. Yeah, if you all have any questions about this, click the link below and read up on all the different products that they have. Make sure that you join the company because you can save money by doing that. It's like $35 a year, and you get a bottle of peppermint oil for doing that, just for joining. They have great packages that you can purchase if you want to do a starter kit. And you can save money by joining the company. It's sort of like a Costco membership. You know, you'll get access to all those wholesale prices. And then also, if you just want to purchase something, you can get it at the retail price, and that's not a problem at all. But definitely check out doTERRA. They have awesome products that work, and I've really enjoyed working with them. Plus, you get these loyalty rewards points to put towards future purchases, and I've really been enjoying that. I get my free stuff every couple months too, so that's good. So if you click the link below, you can check all this stuff out and start getting your orders in now. All right, we'll see y'all.